How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to check auto brightness settings. For that, head towards phone settings of your Android phone. Scroll down. Now select display and brightness and make sure to toggle the button off for adaptive brightness or simply auto brightness. This will prevent the brightness from adjusting automatically. Now, if you're using Instagram for a long time, it may trigger power saver modes that affect the brightness. You need to simply close the application, then you have to go to settings again and now scroll down and you need to choose battery, and if there is any power saving modes on, you need to simply turn it off by toggling the button off. Once you do that, make sure you update Instagram app. For that, you need to head towards Play Store and search for Instagram application. Now select update button and update your app to the latest version. Once you do this, you need to simply restart your device. Hold on the power button on your device and then you will see the restart button. You need to simply swipe towards restart and restart your device. Once you have done this complete process, you will successfully fix auto brightness increase for Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.